What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Hope y'all having a blessed day. Hope y'all getting out in nature. It's a beautiful day over here. That sun's shining bright in the sky. But today I'm making this video because this is a guide to meditation, how to meditate and why you should meditate. Personally, if you really want to tap within and get your knowledge, I believe the meditation is like a requirement. Now, when you first starting to meditate, it's definitely it's gonna be a little tough because you have a lot of thoughts. You got all this shit built up in your head, all these subconscious shit. Sometimes even now, when I'm meditating, bro, some random thought would just come into my head. First, I'm gonna talk about my experience meditating. I've been meditating for about over a year now, and I think I'm first really starting to get the hang of it, if you feel what I'm saying. Like, I'm actually starting to go deep, get answers, be able to really clear out my mind. But like I said, even now, some shit come up, bro. It's just gonna happen. You're never gonna get to the point where you meditating and you just have your thoughts are 100% clear. You just have no thought. Like, you can get to that point, but it's gonna take a minute. You feel me? Alright, why I got into meditation is really for like anxiety and just like overthinking a lot. That's why a lot of people get into meditation, so they don't like overthink about goddamn everything. Because with meditation, you gotta be in the moment. You have to be in the moment for meditation. The reason why I meditate nowadays is I don't really have that anxiety problem no more. So the reason why I meditate now is to tune up my chakras, cancel any subconscious beliefs that I may have. So what I mean by that is, your subconscious creates your reality. What you believe in your subconscious, deep down, that deep down part of your brain that you go into, the state that you go into when you sleep and shit. The subconscious creates your dreams and it creates your reality, right? So I meditate so I can clear all that shit out and I can put my own shit in. You know what I'm saying? So say if you have a subconscious belief that people just don't like you, you just not a likable person, right? You can meditate, you know what I'm saying? And when you meditate, you can clear out that subconscious belief that people don't like you. You can put your own shit in, like you have a magnetic personality or something like that. And then once you have that belief in your reality, and once you have that belief in your subconscious, it will create your reality. So that's one of the benefits, and that's one of the reasons why you should meditate. All right, now let's get into how to actually meditate, right? So you can lay down. Or you can do the crisscross method. I like to just put my hands on my knees, back, straight up, straight as possible. I like to close my eyes. You can use you just need to focus on something. So you can use an incense, smoke from an incense, focus on the smoke from an incense. You can use a candle, focus on the candle flame. Anything with this. You just gotta learn your own shit. You gotta learn what works best for you. But I'm just showing you a couple methods. All right, so with breathing, this is basically the most important part. So like I said, straight up, hands on knees, through the nose, out the mouth. Don't breathe from your upper chest. Breathe from your lower chest, from your lungs. Like suck in your stomach. You want to slow down your breathing. Slow down your breathing as much as possible. Don't just... Even when I'm meditating, sometimes I even do that, where I just... Don't do that. Slow down your breathing. Make sure you're, from your lungs to your nose, out the mouth. Make sure it's flowing. It's not getting stopped in between that. You're just flowing with it. Don't put no stresses on you. Don't be like, oh, this is the first time I'm meditating, I'm having too many thoughts. I can't meditate and shit. Like, bro, it's gonna come. Just keep doing it. Do it every day, 5 minutes, and you'll be a pro. You'll be a pro. You know what I'm saying? Another demonstration real quick. Just I like to adjust my breathing as I go. Alright. See, I already feel good from that shit. A few more tips for meditating. Get out in nature. It's better when you meditate in nature. You just can hear the birds, you can hear the sound, you get in tune with the trees and shit. So Earth has this like own vibration. So when you get out in nature and you meditate, you can easily tap within that. That's why when you meditate outside, it's like you let go of so much shit. You know, the ground is actually the root chakra of the earth. So it heals your root chakra. That's why you should walk barefoot in nature. Alright, I want to stress this. Don't worry too much about it. Don't be like, oh, I can't meditate and all this shit. Just do it 5-10 minutes a day. You know, you'll get it, man. You'll be a pro at it soon enough. You know, and not something you should stress about. I mean, you're doing it so you can have less stress, if anything. You know what I'm saying? The thing is, don't try to control your thoughts. Let your thoughts flow. You know what I'm saying? So like, don't attach yourself to a thought. If you attach yourself to that thought's gonna keep going. When you meditate and you have a thought, that random thought that comes in, detach yourself with it. Act like you like watching. You're looking at it. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You like, act like you like seeing the thought on a screen, rather than the thoughts actually in your head, and just detach from it. So what I do when I'm out in nature, when I'm meditating in nature, when a breeze comes, I like to think that's my thought coming and going. You feel what I'm saying? So a breeze comes and just my thoughts leaving with that breeze. Yeah, guys, hope you got some information from this. Hope y'all out here meditating. You know, it's a very beautiful practice that you can use every day, 5 to 10 minutes. Don't stress it. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to head out though. Like, subscribe, all that. I do free consultations on Instagram. So just follow my Instagram, send me a DM, and we'll set up a time, all that. So hope y'all out here in nature. I'll see y'all. Peace out.